Hello everyone. Today we are going to make momos. I will show you two types of momos, veg momos and chicken momos. And now I'll show you the ingredients needed for veg momo and chicken momo. For making momos, we need vegetables for veg momos, and this is keema, chicken keema, which I had already marinated it 2 days earlier, and some are left, so I'm going to make with that. Now first we have to make a dough, and I have taken, this is 350 grams of flour, this is one big cup, you can see here, and then salt. To knead this dough we need salt and oil, 1 teaspoon oil. Then we need vegetables. The vegetables which are needed are carrot, capsicum, cabbage, corn, and I have put very few peas also, green peas, and it should be cut in small pieces so that it will be very tasty. Then we have this chicken keema, and then I have onion, where I will fry this keema in this onion. After that I will do the stuffing. We have garlic here, ginger, which I will add in this vegetable, and then we will do the stuffing. Now first let me make the dough. I will show you how I am making in my atta maker. I have my set here. This is my grinder. This is my atta kneader. It's Clearline company, which you can get it online, and this is my toaster. All three I have in one place so that it is easier for me to plug it and do my work. So I will show you how to do it in this. This blade is given, you have to put it like this, and this will turn and knead the dough. Now we'll put just little bit of salt, just a pinch of salt, because in the vegetables we'll have salt, and then 1 teaspoon oil. Then we'll close this. I'll put the plug there, and then 1 minute. Now I have put the plug. We will take slight warm water to knead the dough. I'll get the warm water. Pour little by little water. See, the dough is done. It's come out very well, perfect. Now I'll keep it in a bowl and cover it and keep it for at least 20 minutes. And then we will start the mixing of these vegetables. I have cut all the vegetables, very small, fine cut vegetables. We will take it in a bowl. Then we'll mix salt. Garlic cut into small pieces, ginger cut into small pieces, and then mix it nicely. A little bit of onions also I am adding. Green chilies also according to your taste you can add. If you want more spicy, you can add lot of chilies, or else I added 2 chilies and then little pepper powder. Just a pinch of sugar I am adding so that the taste will enhance, and a little bit of soya sauce. Just half a teaspoon of soya sauce. Give a thorough mix. Then pour it in this and keep it in the strainer so that if any water is there, it will drain. I've taken a kadai to fry the chicken keema with onions. I'll take 1 teaspoon of oil. See, I've taken only 1 teaspoon. I will add the onions. The green chili, and the ginger and garlic pieces. Fry it till it turns, till the onion changes its color. The onions are brown in color. Now I will add the keema. Actually, I have marinated the keema with ginger garlic paste and green chilies and mint and coriander leaves. I had marinated it and kept it in the fridge. I made some cutlets with it, and now I'll fry this and then make a stuffing for the momos. I had added salt, so no need to add salt. Fry for a longer time, otherwise it will become very hard. So we'll just fry till the water dries up. Till this is being done, the schema, I will show you. I'm going to make chutney for momos. I have roasted one capsicum and one tomato, and then we will take out the skin and grind it in the grinder, adding garlic and green chili and a little bit of ginger. And this is the red chili. I am boiling in water for 5 minutes. When it becomes soft, I will grind this with a little bit of oil and the water. This is red chili paste chutney, which is needed for the momo. See, the keema is done. All the water has dried up. It's soft and very nicely done. It's small bits. Now I will switch off the flame. Here the chilies are also soft. When it cools down, I will grind it into a fine paste. I have already rolled the sheets with the dough. And I have already made it. This is the veg momo. I have made it 3 types. This is one type, this is one type, this is the same one, these two, and this is one type. This I will show you how I am making it. You take this, apply water, then apply water to these 2 corners, and then this is veg momo. And on chicken also the same way you have to do it. Now I will put them in steam. I have a steamer. I will put it in the steamer. I have taken 3 cups of water. I have 2 bowls of steamer steamer. I'll switch on. And once I have covered the lid with this kitchen towel so that the vapor, it will absorb all the vapor and the momos will be dry. Once it starts boiling, I'll keep the momos. The water has started boiling. These are the veg momos. I have greased it with oil. it steam for 10 minutes. The momos are done. This is the chicken momo and this is the veg momo. This is the red chutney which I showed you. I boiled the red chilies in water and then I added only salt and a little bit of mustard oil in it and I grinded it and made it into a paste. This is the capsicum and tomato which I roasted. I added only garlic and chilies and mint leaves a bit and coriander leaves, and then grinded it to a paste. So this is the green paste and this is the red paste for the momos. Taste, you also try to make momos in this way, the chutneys in this way. Eat it, taste it, then subscribe to my channel